To book airport transfers on Expedia, start by going to the website and logging into your profile or registering if you haven't already. The homepage features a language changer, options to list your property, access support, view trips, and manage your profile, all located at the top of the screen with a search bar in the middle. To book an airport transfer, use the search bar to type in airport transfer and select your destination airport or hotel. You can also browse other options, such as gift cards and flights. Expedia will then display various transfer options, including private cars, shuttles, and other services, allowing you to compare prices, travel time, and the services offered. Choose the transfer option that best suits your needs and budget. Fill in the required information, such as the number of passengers and any special requests, and review your booking details before proceeding to payment. Once your booking is confirmed, you will receive a confirmation email with all the necessary information. This process is straightforward and easy to follow, providing a convenient way to book airport transfers on Expedia.